Today I'm going to show you how to transfer some lines to your crossarm to a temporary dead end. First, I will apply my puller, and then I will get my hoist, and then I will wrap the end of this around here, and then I can pull this side tight. And once this has transferred sufficient tension, I can take off this dead end shoe, and then I can bring this dead end shoe onto here. And then, because there's not a lot of tension in it, I'm going to take this off. And then once I have that tightened, I can remove my hoist. And that is how to transfer a wire from a crossarm to a temporary dead end.
I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.